Hello everyone, welcome back to another fun learning session. Today I am here with an amazing activity on magic E or silent E. We have already learnt about magic E or silent E in the previous class. Link has been given in the description box. So make sure to check the video. So before starting the activity, let's do a quick review on magic E or silent E. In English language, many words end with magic E or silent E. It means the letter E is never pronounced. So when the letter E is placed at the end of the word, it becomes silent. Shh. And it changes the short vowel sound into a long vowel sound. Long vowel sound means the letter says its own name. For example, cap, cape, cap, cape, kit, kite, kit, kite. Observe very carefully. Here the letter E is placed at the end of the word. It becomes silent and it changes the short vowel sound into a long vowel sound. It is also known as split digraph. When two vowels are separated by a consonant and the magic E can jump over a consonant and it gives its power to the other vowel. In this way, the magic E becomes silent and the other vowel makes the long vowel sound. So this is the magic of magical E. Now let's move on to the activity. This is magic E wand wheel activity. So let's go through the words and enjoy the activity. Yay! I am magic E or silent E. Shh. Or hop over E or final E. Yay! I have so many names. So let's see the magic of magical E. This is rat. Rat. It's a CVC word. In CVC word, vowel says short sound. But if we put the magic E at the end of the word, it becomes red. Red. E becomes silent. Shh. And it changes the short vowel sound into a long vowel sound. R, A, T. Red is silent. Long vowel sound means yes. The letter says its own name. R, A, T. Red. And is silent. Next word, cod. Cod. Now gilly gilly chew. Put the letter E at the end of the word. It becomes cod. Cod. Now next word, sit. Sit. Now put the letter E at the end of the word. Now gilly gilly chew. It becomes sight. Sight. Next word is cut. Cut. Put the silent E at the end of the word. It becomes cute. Cute. Next word is, tell me, beat. Good. Well done. Now put the magic E at the end of the word. Gilly gilly chew. It becomes bite. Bite. Yeah. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. Next word is team. T-E-M. Team. Now if I put the magic E at the end of the word, it becomes time. Time. Next word is not. not. Gilly gilly choo, abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. Put the letter E at the end of the word. It becomes note, note. Next word is read, read. Now put the magic E at the end of the word. It becomes ride, ride. Next word is shin, S-H. It's a digraph. Together they make a new sound, that is sh, e, n, shin. Next, gilly gilly choo, abracadabra, yay. Put the magic E at the end of the word. It becomes shine, shine. Yay! We did a great job, and I hope you have really enjoyed this activity. It's a very important spelling rule, so keep practicing and become a good fluent reader. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.